35 divided by 2, 2 goes into 3 how many times? 2 goes into 3, 4 is greater than 3, so here 2 goes into 3 1 times, 1 times 2, 2, subtract 1, bring down this 5. 2 goes into 14 how many times? 8 times 16, which is greater, but here 7 times you have to consider. 14, right? 7 times 2, 14, subtract 1, so your answer is 17, remainder 1. Or if you want to write your answer in decimal, then take here decimal point, then you are allowed to take any number of zeros, bring down the first zero, but before the zero there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 5 times. 2 times 5, which is 10, right? 5, 5 times 2, 10, so subtract 0, so your answer is 17.5.